Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Stream. This is the channel where learning English is fun, easy, and useful every day. I'm your guide, Alex. Today, I want to help you speak English more naturally and have fun while practicing. We will speak slowly so you can repeat after me. This is a shadowing practice. Are you ready? Let's start. You don't have to meet native English speakers to learn. You don't need to sit in class for hours. You just need simple daily actions that train your ear, your mouth, and your mind together. And today, we'll practice one of them right now. I'll speak slowly and clearly, and you'll shadow me. Repeat what you hear, copying my speed, rhythm, and tone just like an echo. Maybe you've heard of shadowing before. Let's use it to improve your English together. Ready? Let's start. Repeat after me. I can practice English every day. Good. Again. I can practice English every day. Nice job. That's how we begin one simple sentence, said with confidence. Let's try a few. I want to sound natural in English. I speak slowly, but I speak clearly. Every time I practice, I grow. Good. When you do this, you train your mouth and your brain to move in English. That's how shadowing builds your fluency from sound to feeling. You stop translating. You start feeling the rhythm. Don't worry if it feels awkward at first. It's like singing a song you don't know well yet. With time, your body learns the melody and English begins to flow through you. Why daily practice matters. Many learners tell me, Alex, I study English once a week, but I forget everything. I always smile and say, because English is like coffee, 1 cup every morning works better than 10 cups on Sunday. You don't need long lessons. You need short, regular contact. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. That's enough to build the habit. When English becomes part of your daily life, it grows quietly, like a plant you water every day. So let's look at a few easy ways to water that plant. Tip 1. Listen a little every day. Listening is the easiest way to stay close to English. You can listen while you cook, walk, clean, or wait for a bus. No extra time needed. You can listen to podcasts, short stories, or YouTube videos about topics you love. Travel, food, games, anything. The goal is not to understand every word. The goal is to hear the music of English. Even if you understand only half, your brain is still learning. It's getting used to new sounds, new stress patterns, and new rhythm. Try this. Choose one English podcast or video today. Listen for 5 minutes, then say out loud what you remember, even 1 or 2 sentences. For example, they talked about food. I learned a new word, delicious. I want to listen again tomorrow. That's real learning. Simple, consistent, natural. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Shadowing means speaking right after or along with the speaker, like your voice is their shadow. Don't worry about the word shadow. It just means you copy their rhythm, speed, and tone. Now let's use your voice. Shadowing is active practice. It's more than just listening. When you shadow, focus on sound, rhythm, and feeling. Here's a short exercise. Repeat after me and try to match my voice. I don't wait for the perfect time. I start now. Every word helps me grow. Nice. That's how you make your speaking muscles stronger. You can shadow your favorite YouTuber, your favorite podcast host, even a movie scene. The source doesn't matter. The habit does. If you can, record yourself while shadowing. Later, listen back. Compare your rhythm with the speakers. Notice small changes. You'll hear your progress, slowly but surely. And remember, mistakes are part of the process. Nobody sounds perfect on day 1. Fluency is just confidence plus repetition. Now that your mouth is moving in English, let's train your mind to think in English too. Tip 3. Think small thoughts in English. Now, let's try one more daily habit. Start thinking in English, even just one sentence at a time. You don't need to think about deep philosophy. You just need small thoughts, like it's sunny today, perfect for a walk. I'm feeling hungry, time for lunch. This coffee is too hot, I'll let it cool. These simple sentences help your brain stop translating. You begin to live in English, not just study it. You can whisper to yourself or say it in your mind. Try this right now. Repeat after me. It's a good day to learn. English is part of my life. Story: Tom and his coffee chat. Now, I'll tell you a small story about a man who learns confidence through English. After the story, we'll jump into practice pronunciation, rhythm, and a short speaking challenge. Let's start. Tom lives in a small town in Italy. He likes English movies, English songs, and English YouTube videos. But when it's time to speak, he freezes. He wants to sound perfect, and that makes him nervous. Every morning, Tom visits the same cafe. The waiter knows him well. Every day, the waiter smiles and says, "Good morning, Tom," and every day, Tom only smiles back. He wants to talk, he really does. But the words stay in his head. One morning, he says to himself, "Enough, I'll try today." When he gets his coffee, he looks at the waiter and says, Nice weather today, right? The waiter nods and answers, yes, sunny and warm, perfect for a walk. Tom laughs softly. It feels good. He said something, and he was understood. It's just one small moment, but it changes everything. From that day, Tom starts talking more. Sometimes just, how are you? Sometimes, busy today? Each day, one more sentence. After a week, he notices something new. He's not afraid anymore. He even enjoys it. Repeat after me. Practice. Let's try some of the sentences Tom used. This will help you practice speaking naturally, just like he did. Just like Tom, try saying one sentence every day to gradually build your confidence. Mini reflection. English fluency doesn't start with grammar books. It starts with a small hello or a simple question in a cafe. Each time you speak, you build confidence. Even talking to yourself counts. Say your thoughts out loud. Describe what you see. For example, I'm making coffee. The sky looks blue today. My English is getting better. Simple sentences spoken daily create progress. Tip 4. Read aloud, make English move. Just like Tom built confidence through small moments, you can build yours through daily habits. And one great way to do that is by reading aloud. Reading silently is good for your eyes, but reading aloud is good for your mouth. When you read aloud, you train your tongue, lips, and brain to work together. It's like going to the gym, but for your voice. Start small. Choose a short story, a dialogue, or even a few sentences from this lesson. Read slowly. Don't rush. Feel each word. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I speak with clear words. I read with confidence. My English sounds better every day. That's it. You don't have to be an actor. Just play with your voice. Make it friendly. Make it natural. If you can, record yourself reading one paragraph a day. Then listen back. You'll notice new sounds, small mistakes, and also improvement. You'll start saying, "Hey, I sound pretty good today." And that small win keeps you moving forward. Reading aloud helps your voice, and the next step is to surround yourself with it all day. That's what our next tip is about, living with English. Tip 5. Live with English, not just study it. Don't just study English, live with it. Let it become a quiet guest in your day, there when you eat, walk, or scroll on your phone. Change your phone to English. Each time you encounter words like settings or download, it's a moment of learning. No need for textbooks or teachers. These little reminders keep English present in your life without extra effort, and soon you'll notice it becoming second nature. Write a short note every night, just 3 sentences about your day. I woke up early. I went to work. I made pasta for dinner. You don't need perfect grammar, just something true. Record a 1-minute diary daily. Talk about how you feel, what you learned, or your plans. No one else needs to hear it. It's your private English mirror. Try this. Today I spoke a little English. Tomorrow I will speak a little more. If you like, join a small online group. Say hello, share progress, or comment on a video. Every message counts. Even 5 minutes a day is a win. Listen while cooking, speak while walking, think in English before sleeping. Repeat after me. English is part of my day. I am learning with patience. I enjoy every step. Don't wait for someday. Start now. Smile when you speak. Every word brings you closer to comfort, confidence, and joy. Bonus practice. Speak to the mirror or phone camera. This one's extra. A bonus practice for those who want to push their comfort zone a bit more. Stand in front of a mirror or use your phone camera and talk to yourself in English. It feels strange at first, but it works. You'll notice your lips, your eyes, your confidence. Start simple. Say something small. Hi, how are you? I'm doing great today. I'm learning English with confidence. After a week, your face relaxes, your voice grows warmer, your words smoother. You stop worrying about being perfect and start enjoying your English. A small challenge for you. You've practiced speaking. Now let's turn it into a real challenge. Before you finish this video, choose one sentence from today's lesson, your favorite one. Say it 3 times, write it down, and keep it as your power sentence. Your practice might inspire others to start too, so share it if you like. Whenever you feel tired, read it again and let it remind you how far you have come. Final words. Today, we learned 5 simple habits to make English part of your daily life. Listen a little every day. Shadow what you hear. Think small thoughts in English. Read aloud. Live with English in daily life. Even just 5 minutes of practice a day, listening, speaking, or writing, will grow your skills. Every small action counts, and soon you'll feel more natural when speaking English. Keep going. Don't rush. Enjoy the journey. And remember, small steps create powerful change. This is Mr. English Stream, wishing you a calm mind, a curious heart, and a confident voice. See you in the next lesson. Keep your English flowing.